It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 19th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Dry and warm with temperatures above average today and tomorrow, but a cooling trend starting on Sunday, continuing into the middle part of next week as a series of weather systems passes on through the region. And that should bring about some breezy conditions and the possibility of a few showers to parts of the state. Of course, the question is, will we see anything here in the valley? Well, we'll talk about that and everything else in just a moment, but first, it is Friday. So that means it's Photo Friday here, where we take a look at some of the photos and or videos that you guys have submitted. And first up, a few pictures courtesy of David Parnell from the Flagstaff area. The snow is beginning to melt up there. And the question is, will we see any more snow this season in Flagstaff or across northern Arizona? And I think we will. Statistically, they can still get snow well into April or even May sometimes. Speaking of the snow in northern Arizona, these are courtesy of Karina and Justin. There they are up at Bearizona. And last week, some pretty heavy snow squalls up there. There you can see a video of the bear cubs playing in the snow. They're having a great time, and that is always cool. So if you get a chance to get up to Bearizona, that's an awesome sight, especially in the winter. And there's a goat in the snow. So again, thank you to Karina and Justin for that. These pictures are from Josh from West Mesa, looking up at the sky earlier this week as that weather system came through, brought a few showers around and some cool cloud formations and cooler temperatures. And speaking of cool pictures, these are from Ryan Seek, our resident professional photographer. I just assume he's a professional. Sure looks like it. These are from the I-8 between Casa Grande and Gila Bend from last Saturday. Pictures of showers and some thunderstorms going through that area. And so those are always awesome to take a look at. And if Ryan Seek ever puts out a coffee table book or some kind of photography book, I suggest you go out and pick it up. I'll promote it here, that's for sure. So thank you to everyone for participating in Photo Friday. As always, you want to get in on it, you can do so by sending your photos or videos to my email address, groffshow@gmail.com. That's groffshow@gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, let's take a look at that almanac from yesterday. It was a warm one, 83 degrees the afternoon high, and 51 was the morning low. The normal high 77, the normal low 54. And as we take a look outside right now here at 8:35 a.m., we've got clear sky out there, and we're sitting at 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 30, relative humidity 31%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, mid-40s to mid-50s through much of the metro. A few spots are beginning to pop up into the 60s as we warm up for the day. And again, we'll be topping out in the mid-80s this afternoon. The upper air look across the country, that weather system that brought all the strong and severe storms to the southern plains and the southeast U.S. the last couple of days, that's now out of here. And high pressure is in control across the southwest, and that's going to mean warm and dry conditions for the next couple of days for us. Here's the watch warning map. Very quiet, nothing of significance to talk about nationwide. And accordingly, the convective outlook also quiet, no severe weather, and that's a good thing. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, not much, as a fairly dry weather pattern is expected for the next 7 days, although a couple of opportunities at some light precipitation in here during that period. And we'll talk about that and everything else going on as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure around, a trough beginning to move toward the Pacific Northwest coast, a dry southwesterly flow here. And so down at the surface today, we are sunny and warm. High temperatures should be in the mid-80s. Keeping in mind the normal high for today, 78, so we'll be several degrees above average. But tonight, with that dry air around, we should cool off nicely. Overnight lows will drop into the 50s for most of us, maybe upper 40s for the coldest locations. And then tomorrow, again, repeat of today, mostly sunny, warm, highs mid-80s. On Sunday, a weather system begins to move in here, a highly positively tilted trough. No significant moisture with that. Some increase in high clouds, though, and high temperatures should fall back into the mid-70s. Monday, we're in the low to mid-70s with partly cloudy skies. Same thing on Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, this is where there is a little bit of model uncertainty. We do have a weather system that is expected to drop in from the north. The models have kind of teeter-tottered on this feature just a bit, and there could be enough moisture around for at least a few showers across the state. Maybe just a small chance we catch a brief shower here in Phoenix on Wednesday even if that happens, it's not going to be enough to cancel any outdoor activities or hinder any outdoor plans whatsoever. Just something to note. Partly cloudy, breezy, highs should stay in the mid-70s. But then by Thursday, that's out of here and high pressure starts to build back in as is typical here in late March, and high temperatures back in the low 80s. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 26th, and we've got a trough to the east, a ridge to the west, a dry northwesterly flow, and we are mild. And looking out 10 days, this is Sunday, the 28th, high pressure building in from the west, a dry northwesterly flow. Looks like a Rex block might be developing out over the eastern Pacific. We will watch that. But in terms of implications on our weather, looks like temperatures will return to above normal levels to close out the month of March. And looking at rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks, coming off of the European ensemble, the mean is, well, it's around 1/10 of an inch, under that. And many members show absolutely nothing at all, so no significant precipitation chances to worry about. And temperatures off the national blend of models. We are warm today and tomorrow. You see, we're up in the mid-80s, and then we cool it off just a little bit by the end of the weekend and much of next week before a warming trend way out there toward 10 days. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is scheduled for Monday morning. Of course, updates before that if necessary. And on Monday, here's a note for you. I'll have my predictions regarding the upcoming summer season, including when might we see our first and last 100-degree day of the year, how many 100-degree days will we have, and some predictions regarding the monsoon. Of course, highly scientific and incredibly accurate. You can take these to the bank, right? All right, so we'll talk about that. And of course, I'll be looking for your predictions as well. Can you be more accurate than me? Chances are, yes. All right, so that's Monday here. Of course, updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions and predictions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. You guys be safe out there. Stay cool today and have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.